Welcome to JVZoo Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how, as both an affiliate and a vendor, you're going to be able to use our incredible launch calendar to find out about upcoming launches here at JVZoo, and also as a vendor have a great way to notify the community of your upcoming launch. Now, first of all, to find the calendar, you want to come over here to the left hand side. You're going to click the Products tab and drop down to Launch Calendar. Now here in this calendar, you're going to see calendar style all of the launches that are coming up over the next few days. So for example, if we look at the day tomorrow, we can see all the launches that are due to be scheduled and the time that they're due to actually go live. Now we can click on any of those and it's going to take us over to the affiliate information page, so we can actually go ahead as an affiliate and request permission to promote this product. Now if we just go back to the calendar for a second, you can also scroll down and see a full list of all of the launches that are happening today here at JVZoo and also for the rest of the month. You have the date of the actual launch, you have the seller, the name of the product, the commission percentage that they're willing to give you, and here on the right hand side this access tab, so you can simply click on any of these and go ahead and request permission to promote. So as an affiliate, there's always products coming out practically every single day here at JVZoo, and you're going to be able to find the perfect product for your audience. Now as a vendor, you want to make sure that your product is in this calendar. You want to make sure that the community knows about your launch. So to do that, you simply come up here to Sellers and go to Sellers Dashboard. Now when you go to here to add product, you're going to either be able to add your product to JVZoo for it to actually be able to be sold and promoted by affiliates, or you're going to be able to add the information for your launch to our launch calendar. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to use the launch calendar, and if you want to see a video that walks you step by step through creating your very first product with JVZoo, getting it listed, getting it approved, and how to get affiliates on board to promote it, you will find that video down below. But we're going to click on the Add to Launch Calendar option, and very simply here I fill in the product name, I set the launch date and time, we fill in the price, the commission as a percentage that we're going to give to the affiliates, the URL of your sales page and the URL of your JV page. Now remember, this will only add it to the JVZoo launch calendar. This will not add your product through to go through to compliance and to go through and be checked and reviewed so that it can actually be sold. As I said, it's two very separate things, so you can add your product to the launch calendar whenever you want. You don't need to have your product yet fully added into JVZoo. You can reserve your date in the launch calendar and then go back through and actually submit the product in the usual way. So as simple and as easy as that, whether you're an affiliate or a vendor, here at JVZoo, our launch calendar is going to make it incredibly simple to tell the community about your products or find awesome products that your audience is going to love.